Hey guys, and welcome to part 2 of our overlanding build series. We're currently inside because it's pretty noisy outside, but this is going to be the video where we're building our cargo area.
So this part is actually going to be split up into two because it's going to be a long process. We have to cut the wood, stain it, and put them all together. But the first thing that we did was we went to actually the lumber yards and purchased all the wood that we need. So we got plywood, 2x4s and 2x6 2x6 and all of the stuff that we would need for staining and cutting.
Yeah, so just a quick disclaimer, we are not woodworkers. This is just going to be a video showing you the process that we took. We're going to put in the description all of the items that we bought in case you're interested in doing this project yourself. And
also actually the measurements for the 4Runner that we have.
Exactly, yeah. So we're gonna just try and take you along. We already pre-recorded everything, so we already know what the end result is, and we hope you guys enjoy the process that we took to get there.
Yeah, it'll just be a fun and learning process for us. It's really not to show you how to cut wood and how to build something in your trunk. This is just what we learned in the process.
So enjoy. All right, so first things first, what we're gonna have to do is build a platform or a base layer so that every layer on top of that has somewhere that it could get drilled into. What we're gonna be taking off is this back panel as well as the back seats so that we could drill the wood directly to the car. Now we're gonna map out this whole area by using some cardboard paper. So let's get started. So it's been about 20 minutes. Taking these seats out was a pretty hard process, but we're almost there. And then once we get these seats out, then we can start cutting the wood. And now we have no back seats. I still gotta take these off. I'll take these off later. But right now, Yvonne's gonna use the cardboard and just draw out where the wood is gonna be cut up to, and then we'll take it from there.
Okay, so after I traced the layout of the trunk, now we're just taping it down to the plywood, which is 1/2-inch birch wood. And we're going to be measuring it out and cutting it out. Do you know how to use this?
You press it and it moves. Well, with just our luck, the blade broke off. It's Sunday. I don't know if there's any hardware stores that are open. Kind of checked already before, but hopefully the neighbor upstairs might have one. Back in business. All right, well, moment of truth. Not a perfect cut. Might have to do a little bit of adjustments. All right, let's see.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Almost perfect. I mean, we're talking about like millimeters. Just right off on the sides over here. If I just cut those in just a little bit more, we'll have a pretty good platform. Just a couple of adjustments on the sides and it should be all good. Alright, so it's been a couple of days since our last clip because we've just been dealing with a lot of rain, but we have a little bit of sun today, and I guess we'll
do as much as we could today, so we'll get to work. So this is going to be the top layer of the build, and we actually spent a day behind the scene just measuring and making sure that it's going to fit properly on top.
Alright. Almost like a glove.
It kind of fits. It fits the way we want it to.
So this is what the top layer is going to look like. I mean, it's not the most aesthetically pleasing at the moment. We're going to have obviously the wood from here, just like all the way up, holding it and supporting it. This area is where the battery is going to be. That area we're going to build a cubby. There's just a lot of work that we have to do, but the main stuff has been done. Now it's all just like the little details. I think we're going to call it a day.
We did a lot.
We did do a lot.
Considering we cut the main plywood that we needed to cut.
Yeah, but it's difficult, you know. In New York, we don't have the space. This driveway is it's really small. It's kind of cramped.
So we have to do it outside.
We have to do it on top of a plastic container.
We don't have all the equipment. But you know, we just have to do what we gotta do.
So yeah, that's gonna be the end for today. Tomorrow it's gonna rain, so we're gonna pick up on this 2 days from now. So we'll see you then. Alright guys, so we are back at the garage. We're pretty much almost there. We're at least cutting all the pieces. We just have to get the back panel and just build 2 little cubbies for the battery, and as well as just for some miscellaneous stuff that we're gonna hold. Perfect.
I feel like that's the most very successful cut we've done so far.
Yeah.
With no like hiccups.
All the cuts have been, in my opinion, pretty successful since we've never done anything like this.
Obviously, but I'm saying like
this one is perfect on the top here over here.
This so far has been like just no issue with, you know.
Yeah. Unlike this where we had to do all of that. And
little shavings.
So now I'm going to cut a piece over here. And then we're going to have to do like a top box. And this is where the battery's going to go.
I mean, honestly, with the wall, it looks like it's coming along so well.
All right, let's continue.
It's so good.
Definitely not straight, but it's still cut. No, it's just this side that's not that straight, but we could shave it. It actually needs to get cut more. It's not cut enough. But yeah, it needs to get cut more. Right?
Don't touch anything. It looks good right now.
It's alright. These are mistakes that we can make. We got a lot of wood. No, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. So this is the two areas. This is the last part of the cutting that we need to actually do.
Battery goes here, and that's a little
Cubby area
for
stuff.
My stuff.
Mostly.
My makeup area over there.
So we can't really do too much now. We have to sand everything. We have to make sure everything is kind of like even. Then we're gonna, stain it. This is gonna be the top, so it'll have eventually. We're gonna cut it, and then these will be the two top pieces. And then, yeah, I mean, we're right around the corner from it being perfect.
Yeah, it looks so good. And then,
in our opinion, of course, perfect.
Yeah. It's perfect for us, for what we had in mind.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, it still has so much room for
Putting our clothes here,
pantry,
food,
bathroom.
I'm very proud of us.
Yeah, this is cool. This is so good. I can't believe it.
I'm so surprised that this is something that we decided to do.
Like, where's the thing? Give me that. It went from this idea right here. I mean, can you see? I think it's like this. Nope.
Well, for them, they would have
like
to go
this.
on that
No,
side,
it's
yeah.
like this. Yeah. So like that.
I think we're gonna end the video here. We don't want to make it too long, but the second part of the video is where we're gonna be sanding, staining, and then basically drilling everything together, making it more sturdy, making it secure, and then, I mean, it's just, I'm just like shocked. So I guess we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.
Bye!
There we go. Now, did we measure this wrong?
And we spent a day of just like measuring. We just spent a day